We got some small toys for the garage here, guys. I'm gonna show you pretty soon here. I figured that with this little toys that we just purchased, it will at least help us out from the work that we do here in the garage. Let me open the car here. Just came back from Princess Auto and I did some shopping. A stand here for our bench grinder. I put this together. I'm using this makeshift stand. It's not so bad, it's just that the base is too long that it's kind of protruding here. That's why I had this bunch of cans here to protect myself from tripping. So the base is too long that I wanted to get something that's a little bit more saddle in that sense from the bottom, like this one right here, and so it'll be a lot better. So it saves some space here because we got so much stuff going on this area here. And then the other one is a lift. So you guys can see it's in the opposite upside down here, but it's basically a lift jack that we'll be using under the lift when we're working on anything like the engine or whatnot, like if we're replacing engine mount or anything like that, just to protect the bottom of the engine there, as well as when we're working on like the exhaust system. The jack is just nice to have that a second hand there to lift up anything while we're working on the car, on the lift that is. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna be opening this up and installing them. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's our lift jack now. As you guys can see, it's all done. Right now, that's the stowed position. To get it going, you need to have this pedal lever engaged. Now I'm trying to do this with my one hand here, but here, it's just... So there you go. And you could pretty much raise it up by pressing on that pedal there. And to adjust this thing, basically, you have to hold on to the brace part and then you twist it. And this whole thing will come up basically. Get the desired height where you want the jack to be and raise it up by turning this thing around. In this case, it will not go up if this is not positioned properly. So make sure that you hold on to this and then you turn, then it will. Literally, I'm doing this by one hand. So, you know, it's hard to show it to you guys. As you can see, it's going up as this is being turned. So there you go. So that's how you pretty much use it, and we'll be using it underneath the car. It's nice because it is matching somewhat. It's red. It's a little darker tone red, but it works. You know, I'm doing the red theme because it's pretty much what I have started with on my toolboxes, and everything's pretty much just in red colors. So I decided to do a red and black theme in this garage, and as you can see, it's looking nice. So anyways, guys, very conventional shop. Well, I'll continue on and do the rest of the unboxing here. So basically, this is our bench grinder base, and definitely looked a lot better than the one I just made, the cheap one that I have over there, so that I made. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna put this together and show you when it's done. Here's our pedestal stand for our bench grinder, guys. It's almost done. Basically, I just gotta tighten everything up pretty good, but it's easy install, as you guys can see. Very easy, very sturdy. I haven't really tightened it pretty good yet, but I'll do that pretty soon here. Level it, straighten it up, and then install the bench grinder. I'll show you when it's done. Here's our finished product. As you guys can see, it's a lot better than what we had before. Definitely frees up a lot of space in this area here. And then I'm gonna just clean up around this area to keep this area nice and clean. So yeah, it works out pretty good, as you guys can see. It's definitely an old grinder here that I've been using for a while, and I lost the other side of the other bolt that was here, and but all I need is this brush here, because a lot of times I'm trying to brush out some rust out of bolts and some braces, so it's really handy for that regard. Anyhow, it does what I need to use it for, basically. In conclusion, I hope you liked this video. Well, we're pretty much done here, guys. I finally had some time to finally do something for the garage, and that it's been a while. We've been working on cars, and I haven't really done some improvements in the garage. Hopefully this winter and the next summer, I'll be doing more stuff in the garage, like probably finishing up my painting. The paints are not quite done yet, especially the ceiling. As you guys can see, I kind of started up on this area here, but then my neck kind of got hurt, so I decided to stop from there and continue on at some point in time. I hope that you guys enjoying all these videos, especially this past summer. It's been great. I've had so much fun working on cars and doing a lot of activities that we do on the cars, are fixing, and also a lot of our POV driving and some meets, car meets. There's awesome this year. I've visited so many car meets, so the best summer ever so far. So anyways, guys, until next time, peace out.